How to make email templates with Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and tap on the search bar and search for your gmail.com over here. Make sure you are in the desktop site over here. So as you're logged into your account, you can see the option of gear icon at the top of the screen. So tap on the gear icon. And as you tap on the gear icon, it will take you to the settings and privacy over here. So just tap on see all settings option available over here at the top. Now when you tap on see all settings, it will take you to a new page. So all you have to do is tap on this filters and blocked addresses over here, and then tap on this advanced section. As you tap on advanced, you can see the option of templates. So just tap on enable this option. So when you enable this, you can just tap on save changes at the bottom. Now it has been saved. So simply you can now go back to composing the template over here. Now just tap on compose option, and as you tap on compose, it will start giving you this page over here. So just tap on anybody over here. You can just select your own self. I'm going to select my own self and then tap on the subject. So we can just go back and tap on the subject option, and you can just write template, and then you can make your own template over here. So I'm just creating a very random one. So after you do that, you can just go back and tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom of the screen, and then here you can see the option of templates. So just tap on it, and here you can see the option of save draft as template. So tap on save as new template, and here you can just template. Okay, you can save it like this one. So now since you have saved it, now you can just go back. Now you can just go back and tap on compose yet again. Now let's compose the template yet again, and all you need to do over here is tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom, tap on templates, and when you tap on templates, you can see we have already a template over here which we had saved. So there you go, we have created a template with Gmail. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.